Hi, I would like to walk you through Mano 1.1. So the most important thing in Mano is that it's a visual editor for websites. So I can select any component in my structure and then I can just edit, for example, font size of this component. In this case, I'm editing component heading. And when I go to Files, Components, UI, and I will find heading, you can see that this is the font size, 110 pixels, because a Meno is based on files. So this is the folder which lives in our local files on the computer, and Meno is a desktop app. So this is the font size. When I will change it right here, you will see the change in the files. And the same in the second direction. If I make the change in files and go to the Visual Studio, you can see it has changed. Because we work in files, we can use AI Assistant to help us edit this text to lorem ipsum. And right now the system knows which element is selected. And if you would, so you can use AI Assistant or you can use Cloud Code by switching it here. Cloud Code is better in my opinion for larger tasks, and for smaller one like changing this text here, our built-in AI Assistant is great. And if we switch to Cloud Code, Cloud Code knows how to edit our project because we have a file .cloud.md with the documentation for Meno, and also we have selection.json. So if I select something, it will know exactly the path to this component. First, we have the page index, and in the lines from 6 to 9, we have a component home hero. And then from line 68 to 87, we have a component heading, and we selected line between 3 and 75. So this is the direction to get to this place, because we have a heading, then we have a home hero, and then we have a page index. We can change pages in Meno, so we can change switch between pages, and we can also switch to the design mode. So then we have it more similar to how it would be presented in Framer. So we have both views available here. You can make changes right here. If you would like to just to interact with it, you can click play, and then you can see all the animations which we have. And one more thing is the CMS panel. In our case, we use CMS for the documentation on Meno website, but you can use it for case studies, blogs, and anything. Because CMS also lives in files, AI Assistant can also support you in extending this CMS, creating new pages and everything. So yeah, so we have a select, play, CMS, design mode. We have also ability to collaborate on the project. So because we use GitHub, because we have files, we have basically ability to use GitHub. And then we can select autosave, and then every change we make is autosave to the GitHub. And when we have multiple users, we can collaborate in the same project very quickly on the staging branch, and we have promote to the production list with all files which has not been promoted yet to the production. So we can select which one we want to promote. We can add multiple branches. So if you would like to work just on your own, you can create a branch for you or for some tests. And branches are also very important for experiments. So we can add experiment and then change the variant and control for different experiments. We have also comments. So if you would like to add a comment for someone, you can just select it, add a comment, and this way you added a comment so someone can see it, and also change the status of this comment. This is very useful feature. We have also variables with color themes, so I can change color theme of entire page just with one attribute. When I switch to light, entire project switch to light, and I can manage colors right here. So each color has a version for dark and light, and I can add even more modes. I have also CSS variables for other like text values like font size or anything. We have components, so I can also preview components. Let's say I would like to preview this section. Moment, let me hide components. Let me go to this one, and I would like to preview those components. I can just hover over, and then they will show up right under selected elements. So this way we can build a system of components for marketing teams, and they can reuse it on the page on other sites. We have also backend functions which are hosted directly on your hosting. Because we use GitHub, you can connect Meno project with your hosting. So we have no logins, everything lives in your hosting. You host the site with unlimited bandwidth, and Meno is just the visual framework to edit this site, but the Meno core itself is yours. It means that you have the full code which you can extend in any code editor. So if you would like to work just in the files, it's for free. But if you would like to use our visual editor and entire system for managing GitHub, collaborations, AI assistant, entire visual studio for Meno, then it's a paid product for teams. And for individuals who wants to create small pages to 10 pages, it's free also. So this is Meno. This is how it works. And if you like it, let me know. Let me know it in the comments. I would love to read your feedback and still improve it. And if you would like to contact me, just send an email. I will list it in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.